my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That's why I said moving swiftly to some useless story.
The bonfire was incredible.
Be understood past Uhuru Highway, going deeper into the forests, the forests of Kitusuru and the suburbs of the Westhill, Ratio, and Kiona.
There must have been at least 1,000 people.
Hey!
1,000 sitting on deck chairs. You know, you bring your own deck chair, right? So you open the deck chair, you open your own picnic basket, and you hang around.
You're going too fast.
Oh, okay.
Deck chair. Start from deck chair. You can't move that fast.
Jalas, you know these chairs, these foldable chairs.
Then you open. So you call it deck chair.
They're deck chairs.
Okay, so you come with your own deck chair.
Or you may want to call it a director's chair.
Director's chair.
Yeah, like when you're shooting a commercial movie, the director sits in that.
Tandarua.
Cool.
Tandarua imetengenezwa na canvas.
Canvas.
Canvas kwa Kiswahili inaitwa tandarua.
What now?
Tandarua.
Okay.
Tandarua.
So we brought our tandaruas.
Your tandarua. What now?
We brought our tandaruas.
What now?
You bring your picket basket, you open your bottle of wine, you pour it, and you...
Of course, once you open your bottle of wine, you pour it. Why are you making it look like pouring wine is something from heaven? And you come with your bottle of wine, and then you pour it.
This is my story, Jala.
You sip?
You sip. You face the bonfire, and at exactly 6:35 in the evening,
it was late.
They lit it,
and
the flames
came off.
And Jalas, you should have seen that bonfire. And then shortly after, the fireworks began. Fireworks in the playing field. Rat-a-tat-tat. It was incredible. Rat-a-tat-tat.
Tat-tat-tat-tat. The thing goes.
You see?
So that was
it was lovely, and the kids enjoyed it. They had a great time. You know, it was just lovely, and it didn't rain. It didn't rain.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it was a good evening.
Oh, it was lovely.
Jamal was so...
Oh, he was beside himself.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
But he missed you, though. He says, where's Uncle Jalas?
Is he coming?
Is he coming over today? I want to introduce him to my pals.
Thank you, sir.
Join the world of Viusasa Entertainment and enjoy the videos you love. SMS the word Viusasa to 40984. Choose your preferred package plan. Select the amount for your chosen package plan, then click Next. Viusasa, connecting you to the videos you love.
It's the Hot Breakfast with Jeff and Jelano.